Hello, my dear students. Welcome back again to our online classes from LPM Public School situated at Kola Bazar, Gorakhpur. So, this is your subject teacher of science. And today I am here again with an explanation of remaining topics from your chapter number 12, that is solid, liquid, and gases. So, before starting our next topic, let's have a quick overview on our previous topic. So, my dear students, in our previous video, we had discussed about matter. So, what is matter? Matter is any substance that takes up space and has weight. And the states of matter: solid, liquid, and gases. So, these are the three states of matter. Now, in this video, we are going to discuss about change of state. Listen carefully, everyone. Kavita was watching her mother fill an ice tray and then kept it in the refrigerator. After some time, when her mother took out the ice tray, Kavita was surprised to see ice instead of water. She wondered if water and ice are the same. Let's learn more about how matter changes its state. So, my dear students, Kavita, a girl watching her mother, that her mother filled an ice tray with water and kept it in the refrigerator. After some times, when her mother took out the ice tray, she observed that the ice. Then she was surprised to see ice instead of water, and she wondered how water is converted into ice. To know the answer of these changes, let us learn more about the matter changes its state. So, students, water, that means liquid, to ice, that means solid. So, when we cool water, it changes or turns into ice. So, this process is called freezing. Next is ice, that means that is solid, to water, that is liquid. So, when ice gains heat from the surrounding, it changes or turns back into liquid water. So, this process is called melting. That means changing of ice into water. That means it's liquid form. So, this process is called melting. Next is water, liquid to water vapor, gas. When a liquid like water changes into gas like water vapor and goes up into the air, it is called evaporation. So, students, when we boil a water in a container, you will see the steam comes out from that container. So, the steam is the water vapor, that means it is in its gaseous form. So, when water changes into water vapor, so this process is called the evaporation. So, I hope you understood the topic change of state. Now, next, water vapor, that means gas. Water vapor is gaseous state. To water, that means in liquid form. So, when steam or water vapor are cooled down, they turn back into liquid water. So, this process is called condensation. For example, look at this picture. Here in kettle, water is boiling and steam is come out from the container. After that, hold a lid to the opening of the container or kettle. So when water vapor cools, it changes into water. So water vapor is a in gaseous state, and when it cools down, it changes into water. That means in its liquid form. So this process is called condensation. In next picture, in first container there is a ice, that means it is in its solid form. When ice melt, it converts or changes into liquid form, that is water. And when water is boiled or heat, it converts into water vapor, that is gaseous form. So this was all about the changes in state of water. I hope you understood this topic very clearly. Now student, points to remember. So in this chapter you had learned about matter is anything that occupies space and has weight, and it exists in three forms, that is solid, liquid and gas. Solid have fixed shape and size unless we cut or break them. Liquid and gases do not have any fixed shape or size. Heating and cooling can result in the change in state of matter. Now chapter checkup. My dear students, now we are going to do the exercises of this chapter. Take the correct option. Which of the following is a solid? So students, here few options are given. After reading the question, we will find out the answer. So which of the following is a solid? Ice, oxygen, juice or carbon dioxide? Right, here answer will be ice, because it has fixed shape and size. So here answer will be ice. Now students, question number B. Which of the following is a liquid? Options are bottle, soil, juice and air. What will be the answer? Think. Right, here answer will be juice, because liquid has no fixed space and size. Next is, what state of matter fills up the entire space available to them? Options are solid, liquid, gas or none of these. Students, here what will be the answer? Here answer will be gas. I hope you understood this question very well. In our next video, we will discuss about our next exercises from this chapter. Now your turn to study it and grasp it. Thank you students.